What is up, guys? So as the title of this video suggests, it's time for something big on this channel. So DIYs on the 335i are gonna have to slow down. Of course, there will be the full bolt-on will be getting completed very soon. There's no change in timetable for that. Possibly even ordering the downpipes today, tomorrow, I don't know. Definitely by next paycheck, I'll be having downpipes on the way, and that DIY will be coming hopefully, or I might just pay somebody to do it. I really don't know. I already did one set of downpipes on my friend Eddie's car, and it sucked. I'm just telling you, it sucked. I don't really want to do it again, but he says he'll help me do it because I helped him on his car, so we might do that ourselves. I don't know yet. But anyway, let me go ahead and tell you what's going on here. So there's lots of things I like about this house, and there's lots of things I don't like, but one of the things I can't stand more than anything is I hate this gravel driveway so much. I mean, just, yeah, I don't like having a gravel driveway. So we are going to be getting this driveway paved, and not only in addition to that, we're going to be building an oversized 2-car garage right here behind me. So obviously all these trees are gonna have to come down. You can see probably in the background there's a bunch of rubble and stuff. I'll explain that in a minute, but we're gonna have to go ahead and clear all this mess out, cut down all these trees, and have somebody pave this driveway and build a nice giant slab right there. But it's gonna be great. We're gonna have a lift in there. I'm going to have 2-car garage. I'm gonna have a little studio built in it, so I'll have a place to film my intros and outros, edit the videos in there and everything like that. That'll be the oversized space, basically. Have enough area for like some kind of workbench. I already have a workbench underneath the house, but it would just be nice to have it all in one place because it's really ridiculous. I have so many tools, I have nowhere to put them. Every time I need to work on my car, I have to go over to my mom's house, and I'm truly thankful that she lets me do that, and I have a place where I can work on my car since I don't actually have a spot available to me at my own home. But that's all about to change. I really cannot wait for that. So the driveway is probably 40 feet long or so, and we're gonna just pave that pretty much straight on down. In square slabs, do it as most cost-effective manner possible. Basically, you don't have to have any curvature or anything like that. And a nice giant slab right here behind me here to build that garage on. And it's gonna have the lift in it, like I said, so I can bring you all the N54 DIYs and possibly bringing a 3rd car to the channel in addition to the BMW and the Cadillac. I don't really know what yet. I just feel like I need a daily because, N54 life. So yeah, that's what's going to be going on. We're also going to do a few things inside the house, such as redoing the kitchen, walling off an area, relocating our dryer so that it's next to our washing machine, which it's really weird how they're like on opposite sides of the house, the washer and dryer. I don't know how that wound up being that way, but we definitely want to change that. So if you guys are local to Charlotte, Gastonia, North Carolina, and you know somebody to recommend, that would be truly fantastic. I mean, the timetable for this is probably about the new year to get started. Some little debt like credit cards and things like that. Just want to get squared away first so that we're not just drowning in debt. But guys, I'm really truly excited to be having a spot of my own to do the DIYs with a lift. Oh yeah, and I want to mention something else. This retaining wall is on our property line, but it is technically the property of a business that is on the other side of that fence. Now, I've contacted them, and they say that if I want them to fix this, to get a survey of the land done. Now, that is why you see all that there. So I'm not really sure how this wall is going to affect everything, but I'm definitely not paying to fix it when it doesn't belong to them. I'll just keep taking a sledgehammer to it every time another piece falls. All right, guys, so if you're excited like I am for this this garage coming with the lift and everything for even better DIY content, go ahead and leave a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications to get notified every time I upload a video, and just be sure to watch. Every time you watch one of my videos, it gets us one step closer to having this garage here where we can film some really good DIYs. Like I said, add a 3rd car to the channel. I mean, I say a third car, but it's almost like a second car because the Cadillac has made the channel like twice because the thing is indestructible. I mean, it never breaks. It's just, it never breaks. So, I don't know, you know, I keep thinking like, you know, 40,000 miles and nothing but oil changes, something's got to give, but it just keeps going. So, 3.0 2011 SRX, if you just want a reliable car, I definitely recommend that one. Doesn't break, just runs and runs and runs and runs. Anyway, yeah, but subscribe and I will see you in the next one.